position in the council. Iibig po natin para sa mga BC representatives, what services have you rendered your course mates given that you do not hold a position in the council?
Kasama sa BC Representatives. Una po nung freshman pa lang ako, naghanap na po ang ating council ng gusto sumali sa student organizations na magre-represent sa ating kolehiyo sa pamamagitan po ng Himig Mascom at Wildcats. At ako po bilang BC ay nandun po ang aking volunteerismo na para i-represent ang aking mga kasama sa BC Department. Hindi lang kolehiyo, pati na rin sa buong universidad.
Ako naman po. Invite talaga ng academic integrity. Naniniwala ako na sa pag-step up ko bilang member ng Broadcasting Association. Ang mga proyekto katulad na lamang po ng pag-pitch ng track and field na naniniwala ko nakatulong sa buong Broadcast Communication Department. Yung epekto rin sa bawat Broadcom students. At kasama pa doon, yung pagsulong natin ng proyekto kasama ang organisasyon at bilang estudyante ng Broadcast Communication.
Ako ay ang Activities Committee Head. Meron kaming inilunsad na livelihood program na nakatulong sa ating pamamayan na para sa kanilang pandagdag sahod.
At kasama na rin ang bilang member natin ng UK Broadcasters Guild. Kasama rin tayo sa pagtulong sa pag-announce, organize at mobilize at mga pagpakilos ng mga estudyante na sa
Okay, so the next question has a journal. Some of the suggested projects in your SPOAs already exist and are being implemented, such as media tours and friendly competition between joint batches. What makes your SPOA and or projects different from the existing ones?
Inuulit po, some of the suggested projects in your SPOAs already exist and are being implemented, such as media tours and friendly competition between joint batches. What makes your SPOA and or projects different from the existing ones? Stanley.
Industriya ng journalism.
Diba before nag-exist na po ang headlines and deadlines, ang gagawin natin was interactive. Lalagyan po natin ng Ask Blanche. If ever na may gusto kayong i-address online to us, whatever you want to ask. And also, we're going to include forums na naka-classify po yung, for example, CRS ba to, Love Life, or academic-related services.
Ayan, at syempre, hindi na naman tayo nakukulong sa ating departamento. Tayo rin ay maglilingkod sa kolehiyo at sa konseho at lalong-lalo na sa universidad. Kaya nga may ipagtulungan tayo sa Mass Media Committee ng University Student Council. At yun, yung isa sa mga kakaibang projects natin sa Journalism Department.
So you've said journalism, so that's out. Actually, my project that I hold dear is Journal This Way. Now, Journal This Way, as I've told in a lot of RTRs, is a series of workshops and fora on the types of journalism that is currently not offered by our college. Now, why is that? Because in this how we believe in the galing na galing sa MASCOM. Kaya kung kahit nawala yun sa curriculum ninyo, bibigyan ko kayo ng chance para di gumaling kayo sa sariling field kung ano gusto niyong field sa journalism. Question naman po para sa treasurer. A special report released by PNP last year showed that the USC has published only 7 out of 60 of their financial statements in the collegian, leading to questions of the Council's financial transparency as stated in their constitution. In light of this, how can you assure financial transparency to MASCOM students? Are you aware of CNCS's track record with releasing financial statements?
Uulitin po natin. Para sa treasurers, a special report released by PNP last year showed that the USC has published only 7 out of 60 of their financial statements in the collegian, leading to questions of the Council's financial transparency as stated in their constitution. In light of this, how can you assure financial transparency to MASCOM students? Are you aware of CNCS's track record with releasing financial statements?
Lilinawin ko lang po yung katanungan kung ano po yung tama po ba yung pagkakaintindi ko sa first part na tungkol ito sa tinig ng Claritel. Pwede po bang pakiulit yung first part ko?
Sabi, a special report released by PNP last year showed that the USC has published only 7 out of 60 of their financial statements in the collegian, leading to questions of the Council's financial transparency as stated in their constitution.
Okay, ang pagkakaalam ko po sa konseho natin ay agad-agad naglalabas ang ating incumbent treasurer ng kanilang financial statement. At syempre para sigurado po ang ating transparency sa ating konseho, ay agad-agad din po tayo maglalabas ng ating mga financial statements para may pakita po sa mga alagad ng media na wala po, nawawala, o para masiguro po sa inyo kung saan po napupunta ang inyong pondo. Maraming salamat po.
So if you elect me as your treasurer, I promise you that for every event that we have, we will release a financial statement of the breakdown of everything that we had. For example, TARPs, publicity materials, and this is a conscious effort na hindi lang siya dapat every so and so, but dapat po every project na nilimitsan po, lalabas po ang financial statement para every step of the way, alam po ng ating mga constituents ang nangyayari po at hindi lang sa dulo nagtataka nasaan po ba napunta ang pera ng ating konseho. Thank you.